Presenting a pre-owned 2010 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 106,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 12 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, battery saver, external temperature display, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.